Ready to unlock the world of e-commerce and start your own online store in Ethiopia? Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on creating your Shopify account, tailored specifically for entrepreneurs in Ethiopia. First, head over to the Shopify website. The link is in the description below, and click on the prominent Start Free Trial button. Now, fill in your email address, create a secure password, and give your store a unique and catchy name. This will be your store's online identity, so choose wisely. Then click Next. Next, Shopify will ask you a few questions about your business. Select the option that best describes your current stage, like "I'm just starting," and choose the type of products you plan to sell. These answers help Shopify tailor your experience. It's very simple and quick. After your trial begins, it's time to choose a Shopify plan. For most new businesses in Ethiopia, the basic plan is a great starting point. This is where you enter your credit card information to start your chosen plan. When your trial ends, congratulations, you're now inside your Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage every aspect of your store. Start by adding your products with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Customize your store's theme to match your brand. And most importantly, set up your shipping configurations. Setting up payments is crucial. Research available payment gateways in Ethiopia that integrate with Shopify. Considering transaction fees and customer preferences, common options can include local bank transfers, mobile money solutions, and potentially PayPal, depending on its availability and functionality in your region. For shipping, explore local carriers like EMS or private courier services and carefully calculate your shipping costs to remain competitive. Clearly communicate your shipping policies to customers. Also, familiarize yourself with any local regulations related to e-commerce in Ethiopia. Finally, remember that building a successful online store takes time and effort. Market your store through social media, target ads to Ethiopian customers, and focus on providing excellent customer service. With dedication and the right strategies, you can thrive in the Ethiopian e-commerce market.